As always, GVM பத்தி பேசுறோம். ஸோ வந்து நம்ம பேசலாம் மாற்றி we're all set. GVM ஓட மேக்கிங் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், அவங்களோட ஒர்க் பண்ண எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எல்லாமே சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, கேட்டிருக்கோம் எல்லாத்துக்கும். நீங்கள் வந்து ஆடிஷன் பண்ண எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் சொல்லுங்கள்.
Auditioning, see, actually he was not there for my audition. I came with my dad, and these assistant directors I was talking about, these people were there, and they came and said, this is the line you have to learn, and that was the line, the very first day conversation with Simbu. Is it because of me you're sleeping here? All that she'll be asking. No, that was the first thing that was given to me, and I did it, and they said, okay, let's wait for sir to come. I said, okay, fine. And I was hiding inside the studio. Like we did the audition in Thiruvanmiyur office. I was hiding inside the studio, and someone came and said, "Sir has come, sir has come." I didn't want to come out. I said, "No, let him watch the video first, and then I'll come out." They're like, "No, he wants to meet you." Then I slowly came out, and he was standing there and smiling at me. He saw the video. He came. I was sitting like on a table like this, and then he came. He looked at me and said, "So can we start next month?" And I was like, "Okay," which officially means I am the actress. So I was really happy.
இப்போ வந்து ஜிவிஎம் வந்து அவங்க ஒரு முடிவு எடுக்கிறாங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த படத்துலேயே வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹாஃப்ல எல்லா பாட்டும் முடிஞ்சிடும், செகண்ட் ஹாஃப்ல பாட்டு இருக்கு. பட் ஜென்ரலாக அப்படி இட் டசன்ட் ஒர்க் லைக் தட். அவர் ஒரு முடிவு எடுத்தாருன்னா ஹி இஸ்
வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங் அபவுட்.
அந்த மாதிரி உங்கள் கேஸில் ஏதாவது ஓகே எனக்கு இந்த பொண்ணு தான் வேணும்?
There was, I think, because I heard, I'm not too sure about it, but I heard there were people who were not very happy with his choice, that is me. But then he stood by me and said, "No, this is the girl I want."
யாருன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
No, I don't know, even I didn't ask, because I remember that night itself, when after I got selected, after the look test, people called me up and said, certain people are not really happy with it, but sir and the producers are very, very sure about you.
அது எப்படி நீங்க வந்து மஞ்சு மாமா பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் ஹாப்பி இல்லன்னு சொல்லலாம்?
I don't know. I think they had their own reasons, which is valid according to them. So it's their opinion, and I was down that day. From then I was like, I have to prove that their opinion was wrong. So I think after that those people actually came and said, you did a good job.
கௌதம் மேனன் படத்தில் வந்து பேசுறது இருக்கு இல்லையா, டைலாக்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு இந்த படத்தில். அது எல்லாமே வந்து மோஸ்ட்லி ஈஸியாக ரிலேட் பண்ணிக்க முடியும் எல்லாருமே. அந்த மாதிரி மஞ்சு மாமா வந்து ராத்திரி ஃபுல்லாக வந்து பேசியிருக்காங்களா?
No, I'll sleep at 10 o'clock. I'm not someone who'll sit and talk and all.
அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எதுவுமே இல்லை.
No. Where I've gone and stayed in that, I don't go and stay like that.
No nostalgic experience, first love experience.
No. I don't keep talking at night and all. Night maximum 11 o'clock and I'll sleep. Please, I don't stay awake after that. My eyes will be closed.
தூக்கம் very important.
Yeah, very, very important. Sleep is very, very, that 10 to 6, 7 is very important for me.
நீங்கள் வந்து கொஞ்சம் அசிஸ்டன்ட் டேரக்டர்ஸ் கூடலாம் கொஞ்சம் கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணி இன்வால்வ் ஆயிருந்தீங்க. எஸ்டிஆர் அவரே வந்து டேரக்ட்லாம் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. அவங்களோட இன்புட்ஸ் ஏதாவது இருந்ததா கௌதம் மேனனோட ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட்டில்?
Yeah, a lot. I think more than the spot, he showed his talent in the dubbing studio. And the scenes like where he say, சாப்பிட்டே இருக்குமா, and then சாப்பாடு வாங்கி கொடுத்தல இப்போ என்ன, and all that in the climax he'll ask. All that is his inputs. He knows I love to eat. And Satish is also put in so many things like that. And sir is someone who let them do it. Sir is not someone, no, it's not on the script, you can't say that. All that he won't say is like, if you're giving, give more. It's no issues. And he'll enjoy it, he'll smile at it. And then things like, Kuda Varlamla, all that, I think it's his mix of Simbu and sir. Like it was spontaneous. Like he'll go ask sir will be like, yeah, that is good, why don't you add this also? So that's what happens on the set.
So சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்கலாம்ன்றது வந்து சிம்புவோட இன்புட்.
Yeah, that is his input. That is his input.
அது ரொம்ப வைரல் ஆயிடுச்சு, எல்லாரும் கேக்குறாங்க.
Yeah, I know, and it is there in every corner, even in the climax. I was like, what is wrong with you? Why are you saying this? And there were a lot of claps for that. So it's like, okay.
அந்த மாதிரி தானா?
I always eating, but then I don't eat in quantities. Like sometimes it'll be one piece of something, but now it's reduced so much.
ஒரே வருத்தமா இருக்கு.
No, but that's because you have certain commitment towards the job, and you have to look good on screens. For that you can't eat like how you used to eat. So yeah, a bit reduced.
Stella Maris எல்லாம் படிச்சீங்க. இப்போ how is Stella Maris reacting to AOM?
Oh,
கண்டிப்பா வந்திருக்குமே ஏதாவது ரெஸ்பான்ஸ்?
More responses from college than my school. Like every day some new girl is messaging me and saying that I've seen you in college but I haven't spoken to you, but then I enjoyed the movie. But that is a good thing. I mean, even through Facebook and all, they're messaging me, and I'm really, really happy about it. And they're like, we are so proud of you and all that. Even a couple of my faculties had gone and watched the movie. They also messaged me saying that you've done a good job. Can't imagine this is the girl who sat and was in front of us. Yeah. So yeah.
ஜிவிஎம் படத்தில் நடித்த பிறகு ஒரு 3 விஷயம் ஒரு ஆக்ட்ரஸாக நான் வந்து கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். இட் இஸ் ஹெல்ப் மீ அ லாட் அப்படின்னு எதை சொல்லுவீங்க?
One is to be patient. You have to. Sir is a very relaxed person and he's very patient, and that is something I've learned. Then, what did I learn? What else did I learn from sir?
நான் 2 குறைச்சிடலாம், 3 வேணாம், 2 மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. மஞ்சுவா மோகனுக்காக எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆஃபர்.
He taught me so many tricks.
Tricks?
Yeah.
என்ன மாதிரி tricks?
I won't say. He taught me tricks to look good, to say certain dialogues.
இது சத்தியமா ஓவருங்க. எப்படிங்க அவர் மட்டும் இதை பண்ணலாம்?
He told me that if you do like this, you know, you will see the magic on screen, and I did see the magic on screen. And certain scenes, like I'll tell you, there was a scene where I had to sing in Rasali. I'll be sitting on the step and I'll be singing, and there's one single shot. So I had to learn that those lines, and that those are really fast. And I remember 1 hour before that, so they gave me the lines in the morning. Since it's a travel, no, who's going to sit and learn the lines? I was jolly enjoying the ride and all. And towards the scene, I thought the scene would be cancelled at the end. I had my confidence that I'm like relaxed sitting, and he comes, okay, this is the next scene. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't learn. And I have to learn Tamil and Telugu, both the lines. So I went to him and said, so I can't do it. I really can't do it. So I've never told you that I can't do it, but this I can't do it. He sat with me. Every line he taught me. Like he told me tricks to learn those lines. And it was done in one shot. Yeah.
So இதெல்லாம் வச்சு தான் அவர் வந்து செம்ம அழகா காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு.
Yes. He taught me so many things that even now I am practicing it. Yeah.
மேக்னா, ஜெசி, மாயா, அந்த லிஸ்ட்ல வந்து இப்போ லீலா. உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பர்சனல் ஃபேவரட்னா எது?
Jesse, Maya.
ஜெசி and மாயா. காக்கா.
I love Jesse's character, and I think that's because even Trisha and even Jyotika, they've done an amazing job. Like you fall in love with those characters. Like when Trisha was where that Sarian comes out, I'm sure you know theatre would have gone mad. And of course, I think Jyotika ma'am had a very bubbly role. Like she carried out also really well. I think those two are my favorite characters.
AOM பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் செகண்ட் ஹாஃப்ல ரொம்ப சீரியஸான பேஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹாஃப் வேற, செகண்ட் ஹாஃப் வேற. அண்ட் உங்களோட ரோல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். படத்தோட டோனே வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி சீரியஸ். நீங்க யோசிச்சிங்களா செகண்ட் ஹாஃப்ல வந்து வேற மாதிரி இமோஷன் பண்றதுக்கோ இல்ல வேற மாதிரி கலர்ஃபுல் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன்ஸோ இல்லையோ?
I was happy there was no colorful projection actually, because for me personally, being selfish, I'll say I got to show both sides of mine, that very smiling face and very sad face, and it's very rare that you get that opportunity. So I was very happy that he took this decision. And also the second half, if you see, all the characters are going through different emotions. You see Satish going through an emotion where he wants to get back home. Simbu wants to face it. I don't know what to do. So all these characters, I mean, all of them are going through different emotions. And Sir has, you know, written it really well. And the second half was not told to us before. He wrote as he shot. So yeah.
அப்படியே ஃப்ளோல எழுதிட்டாரு.
Yeah, he writes with the flow.
இதுக்கு அப்புறம் AOMக்கு அப்புறம் என்னென்ன படம் வச்சிருக்கீங்க? உதயநிதி ஸ்டாலினோட ஒரு படம் இருக்கு.
And Vikram Prabhu, yeah. Those are the 2 projects I've signed. One is over. Vikram's is over, and Uday is still happening. And I haven't signed anything new. I'm just waiting for good opportunities now, because the movie has come out now. I think people has to watch it and then call.
எந்த சீக்வென்ஸ் அப்படி ரொம்ப க்ளோஸ் டு யுவர் ஹார்ட் இந்த
movie? The last taxi sequence is very, very, very close to my heart. From the beginning, that was one sequence I was looking forward to act. If you see in the first half, it's a very breezy love story. And see in the second half, yes, we are going through different emotions. But then when you get a scene where only you are going to, you know, talk and you're going to emote. So if you see the taxi sequence at the end, she's proposing to him. She's sad. She's in pain. She doesn't want to go anywhere. She doesn't want to leave him. So a lot of emotions, and I was very excited to do it. I was like, how am I going to do it? I'm going to prepare for this. But then I remember that I had to lie on a very awkward position inside the taxi, and I think I was able to do a bit.
வழக்கமாகவே வந்து இது ஓகே நம்ம சும்மா வச்சுப்போம், வேணா கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். வழக்கமாக வந்து சில நேரத்துலலாம் ஜிவிஎம் இனிஷியல் ஸ்டேஜஸ்லாம் வந்து 2 படத்தில் ஹீரோயின் இறந்துருவாங்க. நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி பயந்தீங்களா அந்த ஷாட் வச்சோனே?
I kept asking him in the beginning, you can't kill me, okay? I'm there throughout the movie. Every time he comes and tells me that no, I'm going to kill you, this is your last shot. Every shot he'll come and say, this is your last, next shot you're dying, okay? Like, you can't kill me. This is how he made me act, I think. I said, sir, you can't kill me at all. I'll file a case against you if you kill me and all that. So he said, depending on how you perform, I'll decide if I should kill you or not. He didn't kill me.
படம் பார்த்து பிடிச்சி போயிடுச்சுன்னா அவர் திரும்ப திரும்ப கூட யூஸ் பண்ணுவார் ஹீரோயின். இப்போ சமந்தாலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2-3 படத்தில் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி
That's what he's saying. He said for life I'm signing you here for all my projects, and we did discuss a couple of projects, but then nothing has been fixed.
Let's wait.
Yeah, let's wait for it.
படம் பார்த்துட்டு என்ன சொன்னாங்க?
Sir,
யா
I said, sir, I told him, sir, I don't know, I'm very happy. He's like, I know what you would be going through right now, just enjoy it and you deserve it all.
தட்ஸ் ஆல்.
Yeah, that's all he said. And I don't, he was there, no. So during the break, I went and hugged him and sir, I'm so happy. He's like, I know you'll be happy. I was waiting for this day. And see, he didn't have to wait till the movie came out. After every shot, he'll come and tell me if I've done a good job. He'll come and say, I'll get you brownies tomorrow. You did a good job. Like he used to pamper so much. He used to appreciate so much that you want to give more. And it was like that only. Actually, I felt like I was in a kindergarten.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படம்ன்றதுனால யாராவது அவங்க ரொம்ப புதுசா சின்ன பொண்ணு மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணாங்களா?
All of them.
புதுசா பார்த்துக்கிட்டாங்க.
All of them treated me like a baby. From Sir to Simbu to everyone treated me like baby. And except Satish, I think. For Satish, it's like, aren't you ashamed of yourself? You're very big. You're acting like a baby. Other than that, everybody treated me like a baby. Yeah.
அந்த லீலா கேரக்டர் வந்து நீங்க செம்மையா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க.
Thank you so much.
எல்லாருக்குமே பிடிச்சிருக்கு. இது நான் திரும்ப திரும்ப சொல்லணும்னு அவசியமே கிடையாது.
Thank you so
அந்த லீலாவோட ஃபேன்ஸ்க்குலாம் நீங்க எதனா சொல்லணும்னா சொல்லி முடிச்சுக்கலாம்.
No, I don't want to. I obviously want to thank all the people who've been appreciating me and my effort. Thank you so much, and the movie. And those people who haven't watched it yet, please go to the theatre and watch it. I know there are currency issues, but please go and watch it next.
லீலா படம் கட்டிட்டு வராங்க.
Huh?
படம் கட்டிட்டு வராங்க.
Yeah, I'm wearing sari now. Please go watch it and appreciate it.
ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து கௌதம் மேனன் கூட டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி நிறைய ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த ட்ரிக்ஸ்லாம் வந்து அப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஸ்பெல் மாதிரி ஹாரி பாட்டரில் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க ஸ்பெல் மாதிரி.
I really hope, yeah.
கேட்டுடலாம் நம்மளே கேட்டுடலாம். ஏன் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு கௌதம் சார் இப்பயே சொல்லிடுங்க.
Yeah, please announce the next project. I think even all of them are waiting to, and it will be a really nice project if he's announcing it. So I'm waiting for it. Next year it will happen.
We are also waiting.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.